Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be reviewing a Freedom panel replacement system. So it's made by Clearlidz. We've actually been running it for a couple months and we wanted to wait a little bit to make sure that we actually liked it, so stay tuned. We're going to do a little bit of a hybrid video, so review and also install. Super simple install, so make sure you follow the directions. So what you guys can tell right off the bat is that it's pretty dark in here. It's only about 4:45, so it is really bright outside, but the inside of the Jeep is pretty dark. So first things first, you're gonna lower your visors, and I mean, most of you should know how to remove the Freedom panels, but it's super simple. Again, this is our JL. The Clearlidz Freedom panel replacement system does come for the JK as well as the JT. Once you've undone all of these, you can go ahead and remove the first one. So I know that we typically remove driver and then passenger. So you guys can tell the difference now that the Freedom panels are off. Ooh. There we go. How much more light is in the Jeep. So again, it's almost 5 o'clock, but it's still pretty bright out. So while my awesome assistant is holding onto it, so the Clearlidz actually comes completely pre-assembled. So you take it out of the box exactly like this. It's gonna have the latches already on it. Part of the kit is gonna be these, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it is a softer material, but it's gonna be labeled. It's gonna be passenger side and also driver side, so they go on the respective sides. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna place them like so. Perfect. So this is going to create that waterproof seal for you. And again, you're just going to make sure that whatever you do on one side, you do on the other. So in a lot of our install videos, we do get asked, is this a one-person job? So guys, I'm happy to report it is a one-person job. The replacement system, the Clearlidz, is extremely light, so you're not going to have a problem. If you can take your Freedom panels off by yourself, you can also replace with the Clearlidz by yourself. And the best part is going to be putting this. So again, guys, it is an extremely light material. Another trick, guys, is that while you're settling the Clearlidz on the top, you want to make sure that all your latches are in an open position, so that's going to allow it to sit flush. So once you have everything in place, this is what it's gonna look like. Next part, latching it. Pretty self-explanatory, very similar to the stock. Next and final step are gonna be these thingamabobs. So they actually go into the factory holes right there. Don't forget, whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. And just like that, we're done. I would say the entire install can't possibly take you more than 10 minutes. So what is Marlon doing? So we're sending him up here to show that the material that the Clearlidz is made from is extremely sturdy. So you can try this at home. I don't think it's unsafe, but it definitely will hold up. And I wouldn't say an extreme amount of weight, because what are you, babe? Only like 160 pounds. But hold on, let's go inside and see what it looks like. So here he is. It's not a magic trick. So I know we're gonna have the folks that ask, but yes, so it's 99% UV protection. It's perfect for winter and summer, and then you guys saw how there will be no leaks. So we have been running it for a couple months, probably 2 to 3. We've been through plenty of showers and we have taken it on and off and still no leaks. So I'm happy to report that that seems to be true. The Clearlidz system does fit all Jeeps, 2-door or 4-door, from 2007 to 2021. Just make sure that you're ordering JK and or JL. So just pay attention to what you are placing in your cart before you hit purchase. As far as accessories go, they do have a storage bag that you're able to keep the Clearlidz in when not in use. A sunshade's also available, as well as a custom modified center latch. So that's gonna be for those that have an S-Pod up where that might interfere with the regular latches. Also, if you guys haven't seen our video of the Jeep-tastic Zoo-tastic event that we did a couple weeks ago, make sure you check it out, because it was really awesome being able to use the Clearlidz and see the giraffes overhead and everything like that. Our cat had a blast. All right, guys, if you made it to the end, thank you so much. It was short, sweet, and to the point. So again, guys, we loved it. We wanted to wait a couple months after using it to be able to give you an honest review. So it's definitely something that I would rock on our 3 Jeeps. So if you're interested in purchasing, we're gonna link everything in the description below. We also have a discount code for our followers and friends and subscribers to use. So go ahead and don't forget to use that when you check out and buy your own. And like always, guys, big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, share with your friends and family, and we'll see you next time.